Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Today we are making air fried grilled chicken. This right here tastes really good and yummy. For this recipe, you need red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, grated garlic and ginger. For this recipe, I used chicken quarter. Just so you know, I had rinsed the chicken and pat dry off camera. Next, I'll create an section in the chicken quarter. I'll set aside. So I'm going to be using half of a red bell pepper for this recipe. Next, I will transfer the red bell pepper, the onions and scotch bonnet pepper into a blender. Blend until small. I will strain using a fine mesh strainer to separate the pulp from the juice. In a bowl, I will add some oregano seasoning, some chicken seasoning, some soya spice, salt, seasoning cubes, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, barbecue sauce, lemon juice. Add some vegetable oil. I will give that a good mix. Add the grated garlic and ginger. Add the grated onion. I'll add the pepper and onions mix as well. I'll give that a good mix. Next, I will add the chicken quarter. I'll cover with a cling film and I'll leave to marinate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, guys, I will transfer into a preheated air fryer. After cooking for 25 minutes, guys, I'll flip the chicken quarter over just so it cooks on both sides. So I will allow the chicken cutter to cook for another 15 minutes. So you guys, my grilled chicken cutter is ready. Absolutely delicious. Just look at that. It looks yummy. It looks beautiful and tasted amazing. So this right here took about 40 minutes to cook. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching up to this point. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for doing that. I will see you in my next video. Always stay fabulous and remain blessed. Thank you. Bye.